Hey everybody, it's Neil. Check out this. I guess it's a cable organizer kit. Let's just see all the different cable organizer pieces and parts that are in here. I'll show you. I'm just going to lay it out here on my thing here as I take it apart and show you what we've got. So we have a bunch of these. These here are little ones here, and you can run your cables behind it. So the way it will work is this will stick onto the wall or onto whatever, and then you can run your cable there, and then you can close it and open it so you can always get your cable out. You kind of see what I'm doing there. So there, and then you can do that. If you have just one cable or something, you can do it really tight like that. So cool on those right there. So that's it. We also have a bunch of zip ties, which are zip ties, and we can run those through those as well. And then we have some other just loop holders here. So we can just put a cable inside of it and wrap it around as my finger is in there to just kind of keep them closed and then open them back up if we need to, which is kind of cool. It's a lot easier than a twist tie or something like that. So we have all those different ones there. We also have some screws, so we could screw like these pieces into the wall or something like that if we didn't want to use the sticker, if we were going more permanent. We have a lot of different options with these here. It's suitable for various cases. Here, that's so you can use it for all these different types of wires. I guess you could use it for any wire, for anything, or a string or something like that as well. So these are good. So we can totally use these. I could put them for holding these wires here. I'm using a little cover, but I could put these things there and hold it in place for something like that as well. Just lots of different options. So totally cool. So nice to have and super easy to do. I mean, it just flips open and flips closed. So totally great. Thumbs up for sure.